Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the issue of Snapchat not working on mobile data, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot this problem so you can get back to sharing your snaps without any interruptions. First, let's start by opening your phone settings. This is like the control center of your device where you can manage all your apps and their permissions. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says Apps. This is where you can find all the applications installed on your phone. Now go ahead and click on Apps. This will take you to a list of all your applications. Scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are generally the same across devices. Once you've located Snapchat, click on it. This will open up the app-specific settings. Here, you will see various options related to the app, including notifications and permissions. Next, look for the option that says Data Usage. Click on that. This is where you can manage how Snapchat uses your mobile data. In the Data Usage section, make sure to enable the app for mobile data. This setting allows Snapchat to access the internet when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. If this option is turned off, it can prevent the app from functioning properly on mobile data. Another helpful tip is to clear the cache. This step can help eliminate any bugs that might be causing issues with the app. To do this, look for the option that says Clear Cache within the app settings. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so be patient as the cache is cleared. Finally, ensure that your Snapchat app is updated. Head over to the Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, and check for any available updates. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for optimal performance and security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Snapchat not working on mobile data. Remember, troubleshooting can sometimes feel like solving a puzzle, but with a little patience, you can get everything back on track. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.